Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for your board exam. We'll cover essential strategies to help you achieve excellent results. First, it's crucial to understand the exam structure and how marks are distributed. This knowledge will guide your preparation effectively. Next, we'll discuss prioritizing topics, ensuring you focus on what truly matters. Finally, I'll show you how to build a practical study schedule for consistent and productive learning. To truly master history, effective study techniques are key. Start by creating visual aids like timelines and mind maps. These help connect events and ideas. Don't just read. Actively practice writing answers to questions from past exams. This builds confidence and improves your answer structure. Remember, understanding the why behind events is far more beneficial than simply memorizing facts. Engage with the material deeply. Consistent revision is vital for retaining historical information. Make sure to revisit all topics regularly, reinforcing what you've learned over time. To prepare for the actual exam, practice solving sample papers within strict time limits. This helps manage your pace and reduces exam day stress. After each practice session, identify any areas where you struggled and dedicate focused effort to strengthen those specific topics. On exam day, a calm and strategic approach makes all the difference. Begin by reading every question thoroughly to ensure you understand what's being asked. Allocate your time wisely, giving appropriate minutes to each question based on its marks. When writing, present your answers clearly and concisely, using proper headings and bullet points. A well-organized answer always makes a positive impression on the examiner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.